Question 1. What are 3 characteristics of the TCP protocol? Choose 3. A. The connection is established before data is transmitted. B. It uses a single SYNACK message to establish a connection. C. It ensures that all data is transmitted and received by the remote device. D. It uses separate SYN and ACK messages to establish a connection. E. It supports significantly higher transmission speeds than UDP. F. It requires applications to determine when data packets must be retransmitted. Answer is A, C, and D. Question 2. Which of the following statements describe the network shown in the graphic? Choose 2. A. There are 2 broadcast domains in the network. B. There are 4 broadcast domains in the network. C. There are 6 broadcast domains in the network. D. There are 4 collision domains in the network. E. There are 5 collision domains in the network. F. There are 7 collision domains in the network. Answer is A and F. Question 3. A network interface port has collision detection and carrier sensing enabled on a shared twisted pair network. From this statement, what is known about the network interface port? A. This is a 10 megabits per second switch port. B. This is a 100 megabits per second switch port. C. This is an Ethernet port operating at half duplex. D. This is an Ethernet port operating at full duplex. E. This is a port on a network interface card in a PC. Answer is C. Question 4. If there are 3 hosts connected in one port of a switch and 2 other hosts connected in another port, how many collision domains are present on the router? A. 5. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer is B. Question 5. What are contained in Layer 2 Ethernet frame? Choose 3. A. Preamble. B. TTL. C. Type/length. D. Frame check sequence. E. Version. F. Others. Answer is A, C, and D. Question 6. What interconnection cable can you use when you use a MDI connection? A. Cut through. B. Straight through. C. Crossover. D. Rollover. Answer is C. Question 7. For what 2 purposes does the Ethernet protocol use physical addresses? Choose 2. A. To uniquely identify devices at Layer 2. B. To allow communication with devices on a different network. C. To differentiate a Layer 2 frame from a Layer 3 packet. D. To establish a priority system to determine which device gets to transmit first. E. To allow communication between different devices on the same network. F. To allow detection of a remote device when its physical address is unknown. Answer is A and E. Question 8. In an Ethernet network, under what 2 scenarios can devices transmit? Choose 2. A. When they receive a special token. B. When there is a carrier. C. When they detect no other devices are sending. D. When the server grants access. E. When the medium is idle. Answer is C. E. Question 9. Under normal operations, Cisco recommends that you configure switch ports on which VLAN? A. On the default VLAN. B. On the management VLAN. C. On the native VLAN. D. On any VLAN except the default VLAN. Answer is D. Question 10. Which two protocol can detect native VLAN mismatch errors? Choose 2. A. CDP. B. VTP. C. DTP. D. STP. E. PAGP. Answer is A. D. Question 11. Which statement about VLAN configuration is true? A. The switch must be in VTP server or transparent mode before you can configure a VLAN. B. The switch must be in config VLAN mode before you configure an extended VLAN. C. Dynamic inter-VLAN routing is supported on VLAN 2 through VLAN 4064. D. A switch in VTP transparent mode save the VLAN databases to the running configuration only. Answer is A. Question 12. Which statement about VLAN operation on Cisco Catalyst switches is true? A. When a packet is received from an 802.1q trunk, the VLAN ID can be determined from the source MAC address table. B. Unknown unicast frames are retransmitted only to the ports that belong to the same VLAN. C. Ports between switches should be configured in access mode so that VLANs can span across the ports. D. Broadcast and multicast frames are retransmitted to ports that are configured on different VLAN. Answer is B.